In travel news, for May 19th, 2023, we talk about Norwegian Cruise Line moving a ship out of their Alaskan rotation. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that makes travel so easy, even a blind person can do it. And now, today in travel. In a surprising shift for cruise enthusiasts, Norwegian Cruise Line has decided to divert the course of its beloved ship, the Norwegian Spirit, away from its traditional 2024 Alaska program. Originally slated for voyages between July 3rd and September 18th, 2024, these plans have been put on ice, so to speak, as the cruise line steers towards a different voyage type, full ship charter events. This news has caused a ripple in the industry as the transition of a popular vessel into a different role represents a notable change in focus for Norwegian Cruise Line. The cruise line recently unveiled a dedicated division for hosting full ship charter events called Experiences at Sea, a novel initiative aimed at taking cruising experiences to a new level. Experiences at Sea emerged from a union of Sixth Man Festivals at Sea, a Norwegian Cruise Line subsidiary, and the Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings Charters, Meetings, and Incentives Department. This collaboration is set to offer an exciting new venture for cruise aficionados and could mark a significant evolution in the industry's future. Travelers who had their hearts set on a summer voyage aboard the Norwegian Spirit in 2024 have not been forgotten. Norwegian Cruise Line has committed to refunding the fare paid for these now canceled sailings automatically within the next month. Additionally, acknowledging the inconvenience this may cause, the company is providing some generous compensatory offers. Travelers who still yearn for the Alaskan landscape will be able to apply a substantial 50% discount in the form of a future cruise credit on select summer voyages departing from Vancouver or Seward, Alaska. This incentive applies to sailings aboard the Norwegian Jewel between May 22nd, 2023 and September 25th, 2023, and the Norwegian Spirit from May 24th, 2023 to August 23rd, 2023. Norwegian Cruise Line is also offering a more flexible offer, a 10% discount on any voyage booked before the end of 2024. However, this cannot be combined with the 50% Alaskan discount. While the Norwegian Spirit's departure leaves a gap in the Norwegian Cruise Line's 2024 Alaskan deployment, reducing the fleet to 4 ships, it's an exciting time for the Norwegian Spirit itself. The vessel first launched in 1998 and, having undergone a $100 million renovation in February 2020, is poised to pioneer a new trend in the cruise industry, full ship charters. The decision to transition the Norwegian Spirit to a full ship charter shortly after its return to service following the global pandemic shutdown is a brave and bold move. It signals Norwegian Cruise Line's willingness to adapt and innovate, even in uncertain times. Only time will tell if other cruise lines follow suit, but for now, full ship charters promise to bring a wave of fresh experiences for cruise travelers. Today on Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.